Welcome to the grand opening ng Addessa Appliances 75th branch dito sa Lubao, Pampanga. This happened last February 20, 2026 at ang grabe ng support ng community. Guys, Addessa is a trusted name in Philippine home essentials since 1985. Almost 4 decades na silang nagsaserve ng quality appliances sa Filipino families. From a modest retailer, naging powerhouse sila with over 75 branches spanning Luzon, from Tarlac, Angeles to even Abulug in Cagayan. Here in Pampanga, meron silang branch sa Palit, Mabalacat, Magalang, Porac, and now in Lubao. Accessible for locals. What makes this branch special? They are your neighborhood-friendly appliances store na focus on smart living. May refrigerators with inverter technology, washing machine with hygiene steam cycles, air conditions with wind-free cooling, and smart TV from top brands like Samsung, LG, Panasonic, and higher. According to them, our aim is to have appliances that are up-to-date, modern, especially smart living appliances para maka-keep up with technology and the times. Yung grand opening day, jam-packed. May promotions, freebies, and flexible installment plans. Lines form as families grab deals on kitchen essentials and home entertainment system. Community celebration talaga. What I love, easy payment options, low interest plans, and on-the-spot approvals, making home upgrades wallet-friendly. Addessa Appliances, now in Lubao, Pampanga. Trusted for generations, built for homes. Follow us for more local business milestones like kung nag-upgrade ka ng mga appliances. Comment what you need and save this para sa next home improvement project ninyo.